Welcome. On today's video I am going to show how to install Garuda KDE Dragonized 210621. Start the installer by clicking on the Install Garuda Linux icon on the desktop. Select your language and press Next. Select your time zone on the map and press Next. Select your keyboard layout and press Next. Select where you want to install Garuda Linux and if you want to automatically partition the disk or assign manually the mount points. Here you can enable swap memory. Create a user, set your host name and then press Next to continue. Review that your settings are correct and start the installation by pressing the Install button. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.